channel. So today we're doing a mukbang with
Jarian
and
Kelly.
my sister. We doing a seafood mukbang and a Q&A.
It's 7:45 p.m.
I don't need one each. Yeah, you get it, cause I'm.
You just that's for you.
I mean, I don't really need no gloves. But
Did you show them this stuff? But we should tell them give us more shrimp, not mussels.
I said no more. She still got to whatever. But this is what we got.
She don't listen.
We got shrimp. What is
I
it
have
called?
to be gloves on because
Snow crab, corn, potatoes, and sausage. They sausage ain't like that. Other people's stuff.
They might be
And
good.
mussels. And what else? What them bite called?
Shrimp,
What them
potatoes,
bite called? Cause I ain't touching it.
mussels,
Them right there.
crawfish.
Yeah, and some crawfish.
We gonna have to eat that.
I know, but I'm just saying I'm not gonna touch it right now. You want some gloves? But no.
They probably do.
Well, y'all can pick y'all's up. She gonna tell us.
I think them good.
Mama.
I taste it before. I think that's it. Hey, hold on, no, I
It's hot. I gonna say she hope it ain't no eye.
It's some no, this not no eye. It's some eyes on no crawfish though. But the crawfish is good. What do everybody else saying? I taste a little
when
piece.
it tastes like.
I taste a little piece when I was at school. They bring anything to school. I'm just glad shit though.
I need a lemon to be honest. We ain't got no lemon. Here go this. Y'all want some of this?
What's that, butter?
Yeah.
This is butter. What's that?
Huh?
What's that? You tried to drop it down because your favorite.
Yeah, but you just smacked it out my hand anyway.
No, cocktail sauce on it. Let me take that butter now.
Man, I'm finna eat the thing. I thought I took it off.
I'm gonna eat that leg.
They be doing that.
I gotta drink the juice all that ice in it.
Ain't nobody
I'm
saying
gonna
put no
taste
ice
it.
in the cup.
Drink butter good.
Let me move this over so y'all can see like what to eat. Y'all gonna have to get y'all stuff
I
out
don't
of
think
there.
I can do that.
I ain't got none on my plate though, but still. Don't be doing that. I'm over y'all.
I don't think I can eat that.
Eat what?
Yeah.
Don't eat it then. Stop looking at it. Just eat.
Okay. Nope. Can't do it.
You need to try.
I gotta take this out of my head.
I don't know. I don't know if it's good or not.
buttery.
Oh yeah, I guess. I don't know. It got like a little taste to it.
The other place butter, it don't taste like it.
No.
It's too much butter. It's like they
Okay.
literally.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I tasted
It's
it.
too much.
It is. They gonna net up for real.
Why they eat all of it?
Period. Period.
Oh shit, I know.
Who asked the first question?
I know.
Just eat it. Y'all can't look at the food. Y'all go. Y'all just gotta eat.
You can't look at it, but I can look at it and smell it.
You got one more time.
I gotta eat it.
You
It's too
eat
much off the plane.
You gotta eat it.
Everybody be eating that too. I don't know what that is. I eat that before I eat that. Oh my god, is it good?
It's good.
Oh,
I ate one
I
of them
got
before.
it, yeah.
That's great.
that sauce a
They ain't no muscle. Who asked them the first question?
It tastes fishy.
There's
Some sausages in it.
Okay, first question. This Q&A just to let y'all know if y'all ain't here the first time. First question is, what's y'all favorite color? Mine's lime green. I gotta answer.
What is it?
Just eat.
So,
Yeah, this nasty. It's spicy too.
I love spicy.
They don't taste like the other sausage. Oh, somebody taste it. It's spicy.
What?
It's spicy.
You know them sausages they be cooking in the morning time, but not spicy.
This like a different type of sausage.
It
ain't nasty. It's just spicy.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
But that's something you put on like.
It's just spicy.
Keep chewing.
It's just spicy.
I'm done.
You can taste the pepper. Answer the question.
People put it on like. What you say?
What's your favorite color?
Blue. And
yeah, blue and black.
Blue and purple.
Did you eat this?
Blue and purple. Yeah. I ate some of it. See?
You
like it?
Yeah, it tastes like fish. I just when I started thinking about what I was eating, I couldn't eat it no more.
What?
I eat it some more than
What you
me.
talking about? Just almost.
It good.
What you mean?
It's
What
true.
you thought about you?
Yeah, it's good.
I can't do that. Like just eat without thinking about it. I can't do that.
Cause you keep looking at it. Mama. Yeah. Come here.
No, cause Mama gonna be doing too much. She definitely gonna make me not want to eat it for real.
I'm just ass like this sausage.
You got the good one blood on you.
Alma. Yeah. Taste the sausage.
The sausage. What is it?
Sausage.
That ain't no sausage.
Right here. That is sausage. It's like spicy. It don't taste like the other sausage. I just food is
What
spicy.
is this?
Muscle.
Smoker.
Muscles, mom. Next question. What's the next question? I already asked one.
No, I'm trying to read. You want me to sing all day.
Which I said don't eat yet.
Yes, but we can eat it now.
Yep. Yeah. Next question. How old are
Let's do it.
How old are
Let's
you?
do it. What's the name?
How old are you?
Let's do the thing.
Okay, John.
Don't take the whole thing down there like this.
Can't never do that.
Come on.
What y'all doing?
A thumbnail.
Let me get something different in.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me move my hand.
Okay.
One of us got to show that corn, man.
Oh, y'all have it. Well, I just bite one of you. It ain't good.
Kalisha, come on.
Wait, we gotta do it at the same time. Answer the question though. This is the
Make sure I
Q&A
wasn't
too.
eating nothing crazy. Hey, what else? Hey, give me one of them other gloves.
Yeah, you get it.
Okay, I don't think I can take that with my hand.
Yeah, we trying to.
That's why I couldn't do it. What man?
No, these
Crawfish.
things. We trying to eat a crawfish, but I ain't never ate this before. I never opened them. I think I touched one. I'm scared. Look at it. It's looking at you.
Stop, child.
Don't yell at me. See,
This
let me know
feels so
when
much
you-
What is that?
Wait, which part? I don't know what to eat.
The tail. They'll be the tail.
Right here?
I eat that right there.
How you can
I
break
don't think you
that?
eat that. I don't know.
This?
I don't know. Mine didn't come out like that.
You got one more time, bro.
People be peeling this off first though. I don't know.
Nigga, who make you peeling? Cause
The shell. You gonna eat the shell?
bro, why it smell like
Oh, I think you're supposed to eat this part right here.
You think, bro? Every time.
that? Zoya, let me see what you peeled. You peeled the legs.
I'm
part out?
over it. I'm eating something else. Cause you ain't telling me what to eat.
I don't know what to eat myself. I just ate some. I don't even know what to eat.
I don't know if I do.
Yeah, tripping at y'all. Y'all bad.
Tastes fishy.
It tastes, too fishy.
Yeah, it do.
Y'all be saying all this be good, but all of it don't be good. Y'all people that be eating.
Okay,
They be exaggerating.
Back
I guess
to-
it depends on where you get it from.
back to the questions. How old are you? 18.
You need some salt with this? I'm 13.
Some salt.
Sauce.
How
How
old
old
kind
are
of
you?
sauce? 21.
Next question. Oh, I gotta take this glove off.
We're good too. Oh,
With that butter?
taste with that sauce in there.
What sauce?
In the thing.
Tastes what?
I don't,
Something.
I'm not eating that taste.
Oh, okay. I don't care.
What the heck is... Oh.
Here.
What is it?
Lay your head. I'm sorry. That don't even want to answer the questions.
I said.
So,
What's the next
Well,
question?
you could have a real decent.
this point.
Oh my god, my face. I can't do this.
It's
I
ancient.
hate being alert. Yes. This time I
Ain't no
don't know if
allergic
it
reaction. So yeah,
You probably ain't allergic to nothing.
I know I ain't.
Let me say everything. I'm gonna go crazy.
Next question for y'all.
Y'all need to speak.
Y'all know y'all
This
supposed to be
out of here.
asking questions too, right?
I ain't know that.
Where was your go?
Who?
Cause you ain't gonna ask me.
I bet they're gonna be like, this girl looks crazy the whole year.
Baby, we just trying to eat. That's all. Ow.
I guess
Like that. Slow motion for you. Don't be doing that. I had to take a break.
That's it. Hello.
She always on the phone every time I make a video.
boy.
She want me.
What they at?
They're gonna go Chick-fil-A, Churches, or Camden.
Give me a Chick-fil-A
Japanese.
sandwich. Give me
Huh?
a Chick-fil-A sandwich, please.
Children.
What's your dream car?
I ain't gonna.
I don't want that yet.
I want an I8.
He said he probably go
I
Camden.
don't even know what that is.
Yes, I do.
He said he probably won't have to use on. Answer the question. What's your dream car?
I don't know yet. I want everything.
I want an I8. Not for my first car. I want an I8 one day.
I want a Lamborghini. I can't say my dream car is a Mercedes because I know I'm gonna get that. So
I mean, I want a Mustang right now, though. I want a Mustang right now. Or a Charger.
Cause you can't even drive for real.
That don't matter. It doesn't matter. That scared me. I was gonna say, what he did.
Why they so big?
Next question.
Go.
What is your
Man, you think looking at me, I gotta get it out my plate.
I don't.
I'm not gonna be dealing with this.
I got,
I'm
a
about
good,
to try to eat that.
I got a good question. What's y'all mama name?
What's your name?
Got the same one.
What's y'all middle name?
Don't nobody know all that.
Come on, look us up. I'm
Y'all always gotta do the most.
Baby, you doing the most. That's the questions. What's your middle name? I don't know.
This why I ain't done none my videos with y'all.
Man, study went all in my cup.
Ooh.
Won't no more.
Just the mukbang now.
Mm-mm.
No more questions.
I know I ain't eating much of that potato.
Why you yelling?
I had two.
Well, you ate one.
And I had a big one.
Well, I ain't eat it, so. Miracle must got it.
What she ate? I'm surprised she not in here. She might don't know we got some food.
You're probably tired.
Right. Damn boy, and all that.
Tired of herself.
Slow motion.
Slow motion for you. Slow motion for you. So yeah. Let me know if y'all want to see us do the spicy noodle challenge, cause I bought the noodles, but they act like they ain't gonna do that. So
I'm not finna die for you. I can't. I'm already eating too much hot stuff.
yeah, you do eat a lot of hot stuff. They're all like, how
I
you
don't
can't eat
eat
seafood but you can eat this? I mean, how you can't eat seafood but you be eating all that hot stuff?
Man, come on now.
What is it?
I could just use this on you.
Hello.
What y'all think about y'all want? Are he going to the Wing Pay or Taco Bell?
Man, come on, y'all.
Oh, I don't want none. I'm
You
sure.
don't want it.
Never mind.
Y'all said y'all wanted some, cause y'all just hollering out fish.
I just want a little fish, that's all. Y'all ain't gotta get me none. I'm eating right now.
What tweet again?
I bet she gets some hot wings. She's still eating hot wings.
Probably wings.
Oh.
Wanna go to this job?
Alright.
I'm talking about it.
Slow motion for y'all.
Eating good.
Huh?
You know how gloves smell? This how it tastes.
You eat the glove.
That's all I taste.
Ariana was doing the side time.
Ooh, don't put that much sugar in that stuff.
I'm gonna get it because I was trying to wait one y'all to get it. Chinese in it, so.
Girl, I'm gone,
I ain't did nothing to you.
Okay, why did you splash and stuff on
I ain't did nothing to you.
Y'all can't get rid of these. Y'all sure got rid of them.
True. Y'all you talking about she wanted them things. Then they gave us that meat.
No, I did not say that.
It's the fact that it was nasty.
I don't know what it tastes like.
That might be how they taste for real.
I didn't know what to eat, so I went.
I really wanted some lobster tails. I would have ate that for real. No doubt.
Which one it is?
What?
It's on my tea. A lobster.
Jayon, is this stuff spicy? Because it's too much in one spot.
I don't remember.
The seasoning that was on there.
I don't remember.
If that's the seasoning on everything, then yeah.
Oh, it is? It probably is.
Because all this stuff spicy.
Heck yeah. How you gonna eat them things? Kind of good.
I've been eating them the whole time.
Oh.
Oh, Righteous just ate them. Literally.
Yeah. Go get back.
When I looked them up, it was like they ain't put no seasoning on this stuff.
They sure got some on there, but they ain't playing shit. Don't take that out. We're doing so much. Let me get in. Slow motion for y'all.
I don't know what the food are. You can make a video on that.
What?
You gotta do my hair if you do that. I ain't wearing no wig.
How you wearing your hair?
I don't know.
You ain't wearing no wig. You ain't wearing no wig.
You getting done
I ain't
tonight?
even do none of your head.
Yes, you is. You gotta do something.
Who did pretty hair? You?
You can do mine.
What,
Hell, you
today?
can have it.
Yeah, early.
Yeah.
Like, post some.
Roast one.
Yeah, I was at the house and I was on here. Well, I started like at 3.
That's weird.
Yeah.
That wig I gave her.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do my new wig. That ain't breakfast.
I can't even say something. My bad.
Hello. Maybe it's to go.
Mama like wing it. She just don't like.
Let me see. What going on?
Oh my God, did I eat one like that? She like, for real.
This ain't right.
That make me not want to eat no more.
Did you check inside to see?
It's on the outside.
Yeah, it's on the. I ain't getting my face itching. I hate leaving a store like that.
Got my dick itching.
Slow motion for you.
My stuff on my neck. It's alright. Come here, Craig.
I don't know what that number is. I did pollution.
Bro.
That's all we got there.
Oh, this all is sauce.
It's the, what's the name again? Crawfish. We got the crawfish left and one mussel.
Anybody finna eat that one?
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm
You
sorry.
should have said excuse me.
You seen me coming.
I really did. That one serious muscle.
Don't show nobody that.
They gonna
Cause
click
I'm like, what
off
type of stuff y'all buying?
They gonna click off the video.
Okay, everybody ask one question for PB.
Go, y'all. Y'all going first.
Give me a question.
Okay.
That's gonna be my question, baby. If I find one, you can get it.
Okay.
Man, somebody eat them across.
Okay.
You spin on me now. Calm down. Stop. Ask the question.
I'm thinking, golly. Okay, there go a question. What's your favorite movie or show on Netflix?
On Netflix.
Mm-hmm. What's your favorite thing to watch on Netflix? I guess.
What you say?
What's your favorite thing to watch on Netflix?
I watch
A movie?
Vampire Diaries.
A movie, I would say Bird Box.
And
No.
What's that movie called?
Meet the
football
Blacks.
players?
Chance, last you last. I don't know. Something with Chance in it.
Come over, most of the movies can't keep my
I
attention.
think it's called Miracle.
Oh, I don't know what I'm talking about.
We all American.
Oh, that's
Oh, yeah.
that's another football.
All
movie
of
that
America.
I
She
seen.
said we all American.
Okay, mine would be. I don't know, cause I be watching everything. Mine,
But Hulu, Law and Order.
what I be watching everything on Netflix. I ain't really got no certain type.
I don't.
I ain't got no certain. What about
I
Hulu?
can't watch everything.
I watch a lot of stuff. I watch a lot of good stuff. I like good movies. Like it can be scary.
It gotta
can
be like drama. or
But
something.
y'all know-
comedy. Next question.
Hold on, let me go.
What Miracle?
I just seen her.
She working.
What's your dream animal, like pet? And if so, I mean, if you want to be pet, what pet would it be? And why? They had to be on this test. And why?
Okay, go ahead.
Mine is monkey. Don't ask me why.
I own a tiger.
You just
and
like
a monkey.
it?
I own a white tiger or a monkey.
What's my dream pet? I don't have one for real. I
I
mean,
just don't see how people work in schools.
Quisha, what are you talking
I ain't
about?
gonna do it for long.
she be so off subject.
I just be thinking about this stuff like, oh.
Go, Joe.
I already asked. This is Kalisha's turn.
No, you ain't answer the question.
I said I don't have a dream
Okay, what's your dream
pet.
job?
Quisha, no, you can't do that.
My dream job.
I don't even have no dream job. I don't want no
famous.
job. I want to stay at home.
Baby,
I'm
when
gonna have
you
to
grow
get
up-
one, but I'm saying I ain't gonna want
No,
one.
we
Who wants
saying
a
we
job?
saying when you out of high school.
That was your question.
First of all,
I said be famous.
y'all so spoiled.
I want to be an OBGYN for real. They make a lot of money.
That's my question.
What, nigga?
She got to speak.
What you want to get famous stuff?
YouTube
Hey, I want to,
or dancing.
Both. You dancing different. If you do
forgot.
right.
what else I'm saying?
You
I want to
sing
get on some movies.
if you do right. Oh, you want to be an actor?
Okay.
She want to be an actor.
I don't want to be
what
no
you gonna
after.
Can't do track no more. Well, you could have, but you
Definitely
ain't.
not doing
She said, I
that.
don't know what you doing.
Baby, I do YouTube. What did you
I'm
say?
dead.
And I do hair. You know, I can be a professional hairstylist.
She said, I'm like, what you gonna do?
I ain't gonna do no sport.
Alicia's so lame, y'all. Every time we get done doing the video, she go downstairs and she'll never come back.
Get what? Get what? I'm gonna go
Baby,
sleep.
Right. Okay. Well, this gonna be the end of the video. Y'all, ooh, I'm on the phone. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Stop. Why would you do it again? Go fix it. Oh my God. What would you do? I'm gonna go. Come on, for real.
You gonna put that in on?
No.
You got to figure it.
Y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It's not even funny, yo. You spinning. Anyways, y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll be back with more videos. Stop!
Hey, you cleaning the table?
Okay, one more time. One more
Y'all might
time.
have thought this.
Like,
butter
comment,
was-
subscribe. We'll be back with more
You
videos.
better put it in the
I'll see
refrigerator.
y'all next time.
Something